Welcome to the Miyagi course. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to start prompting and create a morning ritual with AI. Let's get started. First, start with a simple prompt. Outline a 60-minute morning ritual for me. If you already have a routine, modify the prompt. I practice 20 minutes of meditation every morning already. For a more detailed routine includes specific activities. Outline a 60-minute morning ritual for me that includes exercise, meditation, and a healthy breakfast. I am a 38-year-old male. I want to feel peaceful and centered after my ritual. Lastly, you can add style to your prompt for a more inspiring routine. Outline a 60-minute morning ritual for me that includes exercise, meditation, and a healthy breakfast. I am a 38-year-old male. I want to feel peaceful and centered after my ritual. Include yoga, exercises, and vegan low-fat meal options, preferably oatmeal. Inspire me and motivate me like Tony Robbins. Now, try these prompts yourself and see the variety of morning rituals AI can generate for you. It's amazing how a few thoughtfully crafted prompts can enhance your morning routine and set you up for a great day ahead. More than 74% of views on this channel are from frequent viewers who haven't subscribed. If you've ever enjoyed my videos, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you think. The bigger the channel gets, the better guests I can invite and the better videos I can publish. Fair? Subscribe and see you in the next video.